All right, so I want to run you through a business model that is stupidly simple that anybody can do. Start today and get realistically scaled to at least $500 to $1,000 a month in profit very, very quickly this month. Now, this is something that we've been playing around with, me and my VAs, for the past two and a half months or so. And I've seen the power of this, how scalable it actually is. Full disclosure, I haven't scaled it to like a full-time income yet, but we have hit the $500 to $1,000 profit per month mark. So it's very possible with even a little bit of effort here. And the cool thing about it is a software that I always talk about, ZeeDrop, is going to help automate 95% of this, right? So all it is Pinterest affiliate marketing. And we're going to use Amazon here because it's stupidly easy to copy Amazon products over to Pinterest. Using ZeeDrop, it copies the pictures, it copies the title, it copies the description, and it makes it stupidly easy to then get a ton of listings up on Pinterest for us so that if somebody sees our products, our listings, and they're interested in that product for whatever reason, and then they click on the actual pin and then they use our link to go to that product and make a purchase, we get an affiliate commission. Now, typically speaking, with affiliate marketing, you need to bring the traffic, right? So you would have an Instagram page or a Facebook page or a blog or a YouTube channel or something like that where you would bring the traffic, you would bring the interest, and you would have the audience, which then you would pitch affiliate links. But the cool thing about Pinterest, obviously, is it acts as a search engine in a lot of ways, but also it acts as a suggestion engine. And so people are on there organically already, millions and millions of people just looking for things that are inspiring them, that are interesting them, be it, fashion, or one of the things that's been working really well for me lately is bathing suits and clutch purses and stuff that kind of, as we move here into summer and, we're in spring right now, is really advantageous for this season and people are going to have their eye on. Another thing that works really well for me and has the past 2 months or so, keep in mind, we just kind of started this like two and a half months ago. So by no means am I an expert, but I just want to share this business model with you because again, it's easy. Anybody can do it. You can scale it relatively fast and it's reliable and it doesn't take much effort, right? You don't need to be a master at anything. It is stupidly simple, okay? So another thing that's been working well for me as well is home decor and stuff like that. So I want to show you this business model and how easy it is to set up. All you need to do is set up a Pinterest account. Anybody can do that. Then we're going to use Amazon as our supplier here for certain products. So as you can see on the Amazon listing, we get these buttons right here that allow us to copy to a number of different websites. Copy to Etsy, copy to Mercari, copy to Facebook Shop, Vinted, Facebook Marketplace, Depop, copy to General, which is what we're going to use here for Pinterest, copy to Poshmark, copy to TikTok Shop, and a number of other things. All these buttons always, I get asked about this all the time, is ZeeDrop. ZeeDrop is a software I've been recommending for like 6 years now since I started drop shipping. It is a phenomenal software. I believe it's only $16 a month, so it's stupidly cheap. It also gives you the ability to download like the images off of a listing as well, download the videos. And why is that advantageous? Well, that helps with TikTok Shop listings as well, making TikTok Shop videos and stuff like that. But in this video, I just want to show you how easy it is to copy these products to Pinterest using ZeeDrop. And if you need ZeeDrop, it is literally just ZeeDrop, so ZeeDrop, just like that, ZeeDrop.com. You hop on there, you sign up, you download the extension, and it will pop up in your browser like this. Once you log in, it will let you populate your listings with these buttons right here, and then all you need to do is find a listing that is going to work for you. Again, with Pinterest, you can do a little bit of research if you want to find out what's working well, but I would just test a bunch of things and kind of see what sticks and then double down on that. As I'm recording this, it's April 15th, so we're kind of moving into warmer weather in a lot of the US where I live. And so I'm listing things like bathing suits, anything like outdoor play related, outdoor like home decor, where people are going to start being by their fire pits a little bit more, or being outside by their outdoor bars or their back patios or wherever. Stuff like that really seems to be working well. Again, clutch purses. Again, I don't know why you'd have to ask like a girl that would know the answer to this, but just anecdotally over the past like few years, clutch purses do well in like the spring and summer for me, because I guess women carry like smaller purses out when they're not carrying like big coats. At least that's my understanding, so they work better. But again, you could just play around with different things and see what works for you. So here we're going to just click the copy to general button. Again, that's ZeeDrop. It's going to copy everything automatically. We go back into Pinterest, we create a new pin, and we click paste pin by ZeeDrop. Now it's automatically going to copy everything over for us. So it's going to copy the title of the Amazon listing, the pictures in the Amazon listing, and the description of the Amazon listing. And then from there, we can just tag our affiliate link. So if you don't have an affiliate sign up for Amazon already, just go to amazonassociates.com, sign up for the affiliate program. Anybody can do that. And then you will see on your actual Amazon listings right here, this get link up top. Now, they used to have this like old outdated Amazon affiliates program where you had to like take the URL or the ASIN of the product, put it into the back end of the affiliate program, and then get your link. They've simplified it so much now that it is so easy to use and so much faster. So all you need to do is just click the get link button up here. You will then get your link for your actual Amazon product for this listing. And then if anybody obviously uses your link to go through it, it's going to auto track that for you and then pay you out a certain commission percentage based on that listing in that actual category. And the cool thing about it now is it tells you what your exact commission rate is. So 3% of this, well, this sells for $20. So 3% of 20 is what I'd make if somebody bought through my link, right? And again, with Pinterest affiliate marketing, we don't have to bring the traffic. So this is all just sweat equity and listing. I have an entire VA that does this half the day now, and we've started to scale it a little bit more. So I'm excited to see how high we can scale this, but there's a lot of opportunity here. It's easy. And again, it's completely free to list these. So it's a great side hustle for anybody that has a little bit of extra time. And the cool thing is, again, the software does all of it for you. So here we are over in Pinterest now, and you see that it copied the pictures, the title, and the description. Now, it's super easy to list these in volume if you just want to keep them that way. You don't have to change the title. You don't have to change the description. You don't have to obviously change anything about the pictures. It still works really well this way. And if you want to take the volume approach, I would recommend just keeping everything like this because you can copy products over so much faster. Recently, we've started to adjust the titles and the descriptions a little bit to see if that works better. And it hasn't been enough time elapsed to tell you definitively, like with the split test versus changing them or not changing, that it has worked or hasn't worked 100%. But anecdotally, I've started to see that it works a little bit better if you do change the title and the description slightly. So if you wanted to do that, you don't have to do that. All you would have to do is come into somewhere like Copilot or ChatGPT or Llama or any AI software and just ask it to write a better description or a better title that's like more clickable and intriguing. It is literally that simple, right? So all I would say, I'm not even logged into Copilot, but all I would say for a prompt here is like, can you come up with a better title and description for this product below? And then I would literally paste in the title and paste in the description. And once you write that prompt out once, you can just keep pasting it back in and then paste the title and the description, and it'll go so much faster. Again, you don't need to do this step, but I've seen anecdotally that this tends to work a little bit better and tends to kind of make the listing more clickable, more intriguing, and kind of work that way. And so now we're just going to paste those actual titles and description in there. And boom, there we go. Now, the next thing we want to do is get our affiliate link. So again, to do that, you just come back to the Amazon listing, click Get Link, the yellow button once you sign up for your Amazon Associates program and you're signed in. Come back to Pinterest, paste the link in there. Now, if you want to put it in a certain category, that's all boards are. You can create different categories or different boards and start kind of, categorizing your listings that way. So like home decor or summer fashion trends or inspiration, whatever you want to make board-wise, you can start categorizing them that way. You could also tag certain topics as well. So this would be like home decor, outdoor lights, whatever you want to do. You can put tags in there. You don't have to. You can make it really fast as well if you want to just ask ChatGPT to come up with a certain number of tags for your listing, and then also just throw that in your prompt as well. It will then give you the tags and you can paste them all in there very quickly. So that works very well as well. But again, the only other thing that you want to make sure to do is then tag a product in there. So come down to the bottom, add products, use a link, and then search for that Amazon link. Again, this is your affiliate link, right? So you want people to come and click this affiliate link here, and it's going to find your Amazon product. Make sure to toggle on affiliate link or sponsored product, and then pick that first product there that matches, and boom, now we've tagged that product. So now there's two ways that somebody can obviously look at this and then purchase through our link. If they're looking at the actual listing, there is a link there at the bottom of the listing, obviously on the pin. And there's also a tag product with our affiliate link in there. And now all we would have to do is scroll back up and click publish. Okay. Now I slowed that down very, very slow to show you how to actually do it. I'm going to run you through 2 more quick ones here in a second, but that takes me to the sponsor of today's video that I want to talk about for a brief second, because everybody watching this video is either an entrepreneur, a small business owner, wants to be, or they're an e-commerce seller. And so if you have a website, whether it's for e-commerce or a blog or a SaaS tool or whatever, right? You need to check out Classpo.io. It is a powerful conversion tool that helps you capture more leads, reduce cart abandonment, and grow your email list, and also increase sales, all with smart, customizable pop-ups, banners, quizzes, forms, and much more. And no, it's not that annoying kind of pop-up that makes people instantly click away. It actually lets you personalize the experience based on how visitors behave on your website. So you're giving people the right message at the right time. Think exit intent offers, think welcome discounts or product recommendation. It is all built in and it really works. And what I really like about it is how easy it is to use too. You don't need to touch a single line of code. You don't need to be a master of anything to set this up. They have tons of beautiful templates that are drag and drop, and they work seamlessly with all your top e-commerce sites like Shopify, WordPress, or even email tools and CRMs as well. And one of my favorite parts about it too is it gets to gamify pop-ups. You can set like little games on your pop-ups that make it more fun and more engaging for your audience when they actually hit your website to increase conversion rates and get people to interact a little bit more. So if you're serious about growing your business, if you want to improve your site's performance or increase that conversion rate, like I said, give Classpo a try. It is a no-brainer, and you can try it through the link in the description, completely free, or by just going directly to Classpo.io. And now back to the tutorial here. So as you can see, we're going to do 2 more really quickly. It is stupidly easy to do this. I slowed it down to show you how it works before, but we're going to take 2 bathing suits here. We'll take a bathing suit and a beach cover up as examples, and we're not going to change the actual title and the actual description here. But I obviously would tell my VA to come back and then paste the actual prompt into ChatGPT or Copilot or wherever, and then again, paste the title in the description and ask it for tags, and then change them very quickly. It's going to add maybe a minute of time to your listing on that actual pin, but it is worth it in my opinion anecdotally. But again, you could test them both out, test this out, or test the volume approach like I'm about to show you, where you don't take a bunch of time. So again, all we would do is we'd come back to the actual listing that you want to list, click copy to general, create a new pin, and then click paste pin by ZeeDrop, and it should copy everything over automatically. So it'll copy the title, the description, and the pictures as well. And then the next thing that you want to do while it's copying that, should only take like 15 to 20 seconds, is click get link on that Amazon listing so you get your Amazon affiliate link. Then come back and paste that link into your Pinterest pin right here. Again, you can categorize it if you want to. If you did put it in a prompt in ChatGPT or somewhere, you could paste the tags in. And then again, the only other important thing is to tag the product. So use a link, use your Amazon Associates link here, and then wait for it to pop up with that actual product listing. It should be typically the first one, but obviously this one probably is the first one. This is a variation of it. So let's go back and see. It is. Okay, so it's a different variation. So that will take them to the same product page, just a different variation. So that's fine. And again, toggle on affiliate link so that it knows. And then we're going to click publish, and we'll do one more really fast. So that one's done. That probably took us like 20 to 30 seconds. So again, we'd come back, we click copy to general, then we'd create a new pin and paste the pin by ZeeDrop. Then once it's done copying everything, the title, the description, and the pictures, we'd come back, we'd grab get link, so our Amazon Associates link. So again, we'd get attribution. Once somebody uses this, we could categorize it, we could add tags, but again, we want to make sure we add the product. So we're going to go to use a link, paste the link in there, wait for it to pop up with the actual product. And again, also make sure to click on and toggle on that it is an affiliate link, so we're staying within their terms of service. And there we go. And again, you could change the title, change the description, add tags if you want to use a ChatGPT prompt. It depends on if you want to take the volume approach, not change stuff, and just list a bunch as fast as possible. Or if you want to take the more quality approach, it's going to add 30 seconds to a minute for each listing, because again, you're going to paste that into ChatGPT, improve all of it. Either approach works. I would test both of them, and then you click publish, and that is how easy it is to do Pinterest affiliate marketing using something like ZeeDrop, so that again, you're capitalizing off the organic traffic that is already on Pinterest and then turning it into affiliate commissions for you. So really hope it helps, guys. Give this a shot and let me know how it works for you.